Number 21, have an effect on. It means to influence or change someone or something in some way.
Pollution can have an effect on our health. Pollution can have an effect on our health. His encouragement had a great effect on her confidence. His encouragement had a great effect on her confidence. The new policy will have an effect on sales. The new policy will have an effect on sales.
Number 22, have an experience. It means to undergo a particular event or situation.
I had an experience I'll never forget. I had an experience I'll never forget. She had an interesting experience at the museum. She had an interesting experience at the museum. They had a strange experience in the old house. They had a strange experience in the old house.
Number 23, have experience in. It means to possess knowledge or skill in a specific area due to previous exposure or activity.
He has experience in digital marketing. He has experience in digital marketing. She has extensive experience in customer service. She has extensive experience in customer service. They have experience in landscape design. They have experience in landscape design.
Number 24, have a feeling. It means to sense or believe something intuitively without definitive evidence.
I have a feeling it's going to rain. I have a feeling it's going to rain. She had a feeling he would be late. She had a feeling he would be late. They had a feeling the news would be bad. They had a feeling the news would be bad.
Number 25, have a game. It means to play a game, often referring to sports or board games.
Let's have a game of chess tonight. Let's have a game of chess tonight. They had a game of soccer yesterday. They had a game of soccer yesterday. He wants to have a game after lunch. He wants to have a game after lunch.